Stupid Instagram, I cannot copy the link from your comment. Actually, we do agree that Instagram is one of the most stupid apps, okay, that you cannot navigate to links or even copy the link to open it in a browser or wherever. So this link I placed as a copyright or a source for the video I posted in Instagram, and also users saying that they cannot navigate or copy the link. So how to copy the link or how to navigate the link without typing it character or letter after letter. The most advanced thing is that use OCR functionality, which is available in many apps. The easiest one is Google app. Make sure you have Google app, which comes for Android by default. If you are using an iPhone, you need to go to App Store and search for Google app and download it in your iPhone. If you are using Windows, you can just right click on your any white area on Instagram and then choose search image by Google. You can select an area on your page, select this area, and then you can convert the you can extract the text from your screenshot. So to do this on your Android devices, you go to Google and you have an option here to search by image. But before we do this, let's go back to Instagram and take a screenshot for this page. I'm just gonna do like this with 3 fingers, and okay, it's done. I think took a screenshot. It depends on your device. Some devices you need to click volume button and power button, slide with 3 fingers. Whatever device you have, just take a screenshot, and then let's search for this screenshot. We just take a picture here, and as you see here, it highlights all the text in this image. You have here a translate, and you have here, if we click for example on this text that I have here, you can select the text and then you can copy the text, and you can then navigate to a browser. Okay, here I just select all the link. You can choose copy website. Okay, this is easy. If you hit the website, navigate to the link. Exactly. Now here is the
why it's extra symbolic that students
wait. This is the source that I placed in the comments, which is more easy. Instead of tapping character after character, you just highlight the text using Google App, click website. It will forward you to the link you just selected and the picture. That's all, guys. Easy peasy. Share with your friends.